In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a recurring task in Asana in just 5 minutes. Now, Asana is a fantastic project management tool that helps teams or individuals manage their work with ease. One of its best features is the ability to set tasks to repeat automatically, ensuring ongoing tasks are never forgotten. Let's walk through how you do it. First, you'll want to get started by heading over to the Asana website. Open up your web browser and type in the Asana URL. Once there, you should see the login page. Input your email address in the provided field. Make sure to use the email linked to your Asana account. After entering your email, you'll notice a continue button. Go ahead and give that a click. Next, you'll need to enter your password. As with any platform, it's important to keep your password secure. Avoid using obvious passwords and consider employing a password manager if you have trouble remembering them. Once you've typed in your password, click on the Login button to proceed. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your Asana homepage. This is where all your projects and tasks live. From here, identify the project where you'd like to create a recurring task. Click on the project name to open up the project details. Within your chosen project, look for an existing task you want to set to repeat, or you can create a new one if needed. Once you've clicked on a task, you'll see a Details option. Click to open the task details where you can manage all aspects of the task. Now focus on the due date section. You'll see an area where the current due date is listed. Click on this date. You'll then see an option that reads Set to Repeat with an icon next to it. This is the key to making your task repeatable. Click this icon and you'll be presented with various repeat options. The choice is yours on how often you'd like the task to recur. Asana gives you flexibility with daily, weekly, monthly, and other repeating timeframes. Select whatever best suits your needs based on the timeline of the task you're managing. And that's it. Remember, setting tasks to repeat can help you keep on top of your workload. It's a great way to automate routine work and reminds you or your team to carry out specific duties without missing a beat. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore other features of Asana to enhance your productivity further.